I am always asked why my house is so fragrant. So here's the secret. That's right, folks. After being disturbed, the smell of your house will never be the same. And for that, here's what you're going to do first. Get a spray bottle like this one, and with the help of a funnel. Let's add alcohol here. I'm using 70, but you can use whatever you prefer. So let's go ahead and head here. Half glass of alcohol, which give us about 3 ounces of alcohol in. Now we're also going to need fabric softener. Feel free to choose your favorite brand. But if possible, use a concentrated one because the smell will be even better. So go ahead and add 2 capfuls of concentrated fabric softener. And to finish, just top it off with water. It can even be tap water. No problem. Let's add half a glass of water. And now let's close the spray bottle. Close it very well. And then let's shake it to mix all the ingredients well. And that's all, folks. We already finished our mixture. And now here's the thing. After you finish sweeping and cleaning your house as usual, go ahead and finish it off with this mixture by spraying it in a strategic places. You can spray it in your couch, the curtains, or even your bedding. And guys, you have no idea how this is going to make your house really fragrant with that nice and fresh, clean house smell. Everyone who comes looks for the air freshener, but I don't use it. I make this mixture and spray around the house. So guys, this is really amazing. You don't need to keep buying those products to perfume your house, which are really expensive. Try making this mixture at home. I'm sure you're going to love the result. Thank you for watching this video so far. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. See you in the next video. Bye.